Uploading a journal entry in NetSuite is a streamlined process, especially when using the CSV import feature. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through it. Prepare your CSV file. Create a CSV file with the necessary columns such as date, account, debit, credit, memo, subsidiary, and any other relevant fields. Ensure the file format and data align with NetSuite's requirements. Log into NetSuite. Open your web browser, navigate to the NetSuite login page, and enter your login credentials. Navigate to Import Assistant. Go to Setup, Import or Export, Import CSV Records. Select Import Type. Choose Transactions under the Import Type dropdown. Select Journal Entry as the record type. Upload your file. Click Select to upload your prepared CSV file. Click Next. File Mapping. Map the fields in your CSV file to the corresponding NetSuite fields. Ensure all necessary fields are correctly mapped. Review import options. Set your import options, such as the date format and handling of errors. Click Next. Run the import. Review your settings and mappings. Click Run to start the import process. Monitor and review. Check the import status and review any error logs if the import fails. Verify the journal entry in NetSuite by navigating to Transactions, Financial, Make Journal Entries.